Everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Studio Ninja, Honeybook, and Dubsado to see which one is the best CRM. So here I have a list with the pros and cons for each one of them. So we have Studio Ninja, which is best for photographers. The pros are that it's designed specifically for photographers. You have streamlined workflows and affordable with global support, and it's user friendly. Now the cons is that it's limited customization and flexibility and not ideal for non-photography service providers. Then we have Honeybook, which has a modern, intuitive interface, handles proposals, contracts, payments, and scheduling, and has a great mobile app and strong community. The cons: less deep customization than Dubsado, limited international functionality, and it's best for creatives who want a sleek, easy all-in-one client flow tool. And the last one is Dubsado, which has extremely customizable forms, workflows, and automations, great for service providers who need flexibility, and strong client portal plus branding control. Now the cons: steeper learning curve, setup can take more time and less beginner friendly. Best for coaches, agencies, and high touch service businesses wanting control and automation. Now, depending on which type of business you have, you can simply pick one of these. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.